Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I had a dream the other night about how we only get one life. Woke me up right after two, stayed awake and stared at you.
Ok, para otro cliente más que se va satisfecho con su mercancía.
And I had the week that came from hell. And yes, I know
Por Everbeer,
you can tell.
para un cliente de Portuguesa.
You're like the net under the ledge when I go flying off.
Y World for Everbeer está entregando 150 los aceros calidad Sigalca calibre 22.
And if we're only here once, I wanna live with you. Got something I need
Baraliza cuadrada.
in this world full of people. There's one love in me, and if we're only here once, I wanna live
9 de abril, baraliza cuadrada. Los aceros calidad lateral.
got something I need in this world
Sigalca que van para Puerto Ordaz.
one love in me, and if we're only
World for Everbeer entregando.
I wanna live with you.
World for Everbeer entregando.
I think I drank too much.
Everbeer entregando a un cliente un atado de tubo 2x1.
Every crush with broken words I tried to say, honey, don't you be afraid. If we've got nothing, we've got us.
La empresa World for Everbeer
We're
entregando.
only here once. I wanna live with you. Got something I need in this world full of people. There's one love in me, and if we're only here once, I wanna live with you. I know that we're not the same, but I'm so damn glad that we made it to this time now. You've got something I need in this world.
Brone de 5.2.
There's one love
Y una vez más World Forever cumpliendo con nuestros clientes.
here once. I wanna live with.
Forever despachando una barraliza cuadra.
You got something I need in this world full of people. There's one love in me.
11 de abril,
We're only
World Forever entregando clientes satisfechos para Pure, las láminas de zinc